Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I am Charanjit here from California Public School. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is adders. What is adder? Adder is the logic circuit diagram that is used to add binary digits or binary numbers. Depending upon the inputs, there are different types of adders, and now we are going to discuss about the two types, half adder, full adder. First one is the half adder. It is the logic circuit that is used to add two binary digits only. Like this, if I am adding 0 and 1, then what is the output? 1 and carry 0. So that's why half adder produces the two outputs, sum and carry. When we are doing 1 plus 1, then sum is 0 and carry is 1. So sum is contained by this output and carry is contained by carry output. Now this is the block diagram of half adder. It takes two inputs, two digits, and produces two outputs, sum and carry. This is the truth table. For two inputs there are four combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. When 0 is added to 0, the sum is 0, carry is also 0. When 0 is added to 1, sum is 1 but carry is 0. 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is again 0. There is only one case when there is carry, 1 plus 1, carry is 1 and sum is 0. See students, this is the truth table of AND. Logical AND हमने किया था, ये उसका truth table बनता है 0001. So we can say that carry is product of AB. So look at this output. This is same as XOR. In the case of XOR, if the number of ones are even, the output is 0. Here also 0, otherwise 1. So this is the truth table for XOR. So we can say sum is A XOR B, or write like this. So if sum is A XOR B and carry is A and B, then we can construct the logic circuit diagram for it. A B दोनों का क्या किया XOR, that becomes the sum, and दोनों का AND किया तो that becomes carry. If I am writing the sum XOR like this, then now we can also construct the logic diagram by using this. A complement B दोनों का AND, B complement A दोनों का again AND, इन दोनों का हमने क्या किया OR. This is the sum and carry remains the same. Both the inputs goes into AND and output is carry. Now next is full adder. Full adder is the logic circuit that is used to add the three binary digits, and it produces the two outputs, sum and carry. This is the block diagram. It takes three inputs and produces two outputs. Students, if we want to add the three digits by using half adder, then we have to put the two half adders for that. Just add firstly two digits and sum and carry is produced. This sum is again added to the third input and again sum and carry is produced. This is the final sum, and the carry we have to OR both the carries to produce the final carry. If we want to add the three binary digits by using half adder, we have to put two half adders for that. Instead of this we can use full adder. Actually full adder की जो internal working है वो उसमें क्या होता है, two half adders लगे होते हैं. Yes, so working ये होती है उसकी. Half plus half, that becomes a full adder. And this is the truth table. We have three inputs, so that's why I'm writing the 8 combinations. If the zeros are added, sum is 0, carry is 0. If 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. Here look at this, 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry 1. See here, triple 1 है तो carry भी 1 होगी, sum भी 1 होगा. Yes, you have to add these digits by using binary addition. अगर हम इस वैल्यूज़ को देखें तो ये वैल्यूज़ किसकी है, A XOR B XOR C. Yes, XOR means आउटपुट कब जीरो होती है? जब नंबर ऑफ वंस क्या होते हैं? इवन. हेयर वंस इवन है, हेयर नंबर ऑफ वंस इवन है, हेयर नंबर ऑफ वंस इवन है, हेयर ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज द A XOR B XOR C. अगर हम इनका A XOR B XOR C करते हैं, तीनों का XOR करते हैं, देन आउटपुट ये आएगी. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग सम इज इक्वल टू A XOR B XOR C. एंड जो कैरी है वो आउटपुट कब आएगी? अगर हम ये वाली एक्सप्रेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं बाय यूजिंग द ट्रुथ टेबल, देन दिस आउटपुट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग कैरी इज इक्वल टू AB plus A XOR B multiply C. So now I am going to construct the circuit diagram. So firstly for sum we have to take A XOR B firstly, then इसकी आउटपुट है जो उसको C के साथ again XOR किया, that becomes the sum. For carry we have to add AB, A and B दोनों का AND किया, देन A XOR B हम यहाँ से उठा लेंगे, पहले ही कर चुके हैं सम में. यस. और C दोनों का क्या किया हमने? एंड. और इन दोनों का क्या किया? दिस और दिस, और दिस बिकम्स द कैरी. दैट्स ऑल स्टूडेंट्स. आई होप यू हैव क्लियर्ड ऑल द कंसेप्ट्स. थैंक यू सो मच. टेक केयर.